Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. After a dry spell over the western parts of South Africa, a strong cold front will bring rain and snow to the western parts during the next 24 hours. We're expecting the cold conditions to spread to central South Africa on Monday, and this evening gale force winds are likely in places along the Eastern Cape coastline. To be more specific, the South African Weather Service has a watch effective for gale force west to southwesterlies between Cape St. Francis and Port Alfred. Wind speeds could exceed 65 kilometers per hour, especially tonight. Now, during the past 12 hours, heavy rain affected the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but the showers have moved off into the Indian Ocean, and we're not expecting any more precipitation for the rest of today. To the west of the country, a strong cold front has moved in over the southwestern Cape, where it's already causing rainfall, and rain will rapidly spread to the northern Cape and the eastern Cape towards the late afternoon. Snowfalls are likely on the western high ground during the course of this evening, and we could even see a light dusting of snow in Sutherland overnight. Now, during the rest of South Africa's afternoon, it will remain warm and windy over the northern interior. We're expecting a cold, showery afternoon and evening over the western part, and gale force winds are likely along the southeast coast later on tonight. Tomorrow, the cold front sweeps across the Free State and northwest, reaching Gauteng during the late afternoon. We're expecting low daytime temperatures over the interior, while showers will continuously affect the southwest coast, fairly dry conditions over the rest of South Africa, and it will be a very hot day in the Lowveld as a result of berg winds. The wind forecast for today remains fresh to strong over the central interior. Fresh westerlies forecast for Johannesburg, and strong winds are likely over the western and northern Cape, with speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour in Cape Town. Cape Town's maximum only 15 degrees today, 14 in Sutherland. It's much warmer though in the Eastern Cape, with 26 forecast for Bishu, 26 degrees in Port Elizabeth initially, before a cool southwesterly wind will come through, 26 degrees in Pretoria, and a high of 29 likely in Mbombela. Morning temperatures below freezing over the southern interior tomorrow, a low of -2 degrees in Sutherland, 2 expected in Graafrenet, 9 initially in Cape Town, and a low of 7 forecast for Johannesburg, with 13 degrees in Durban. Monday afternoon will be chilly over the central and western parts of South Africa, with a high of 15 degrees in a partly cloudy Kimberley, and a bit of rain is expected along the KZN coastline, with a maximum of 20 in Durban. By Tuesday, no further rain is expected, temperatures start to recover, and it remains cool in the central parts. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.